Hello, this is my week 15 assignment, adding on to the pet store application. So this week, I added customers and employees and methods to retrieve all pet stores and some by ID and all the employee customer data. So go to the controller class. This week, I added the pet store employee method. So we can add employees to certain pet stores. And then I also added the customer method so we can add customers to the pet store. And also the list all pet stores method so we can see all pet stores. And then the retrieve pet store by ID method, which helps us to see all the pet stores by a certain ID. And then the delete pet store method, so we can delete a pet store if we need to. So in the pet store service, this week, I added these methods in the service class so we can save an employee in the system and then get all the employee fields, create the employees, and find employee by ID. We have the customer, save customer method, and all the customer information, all the fields, and find customer by ID and create customer method. And then we also have the retrieve all pet store method to get all pet stores, and then retrieve a pet store by a certain ID, and then delete pet store. So let's test this out. Run application. See, it's running. Pet store controller initialized. And if we go to advanced REST client, and if we let's try to add a customer or add let's see. Yes, add a customer first. And let's change this. Something random. Okay, now if we send it, now let's check dbeaver to see if our customer was created. Refresh it, and there we got our new customer. And let's do a new employee. And edit this. Just something random. The position. Let's put cashier. Now, if we send it, let's check our dbeaver. the employee table. Refresh it. There we get our new employee. And it's from the same pet store, the one pet store. And now let's retrieve all pet stores. So it shows us right here. If it would scroll down. Here, let's do that again. Not sure why it's not moving. Well, anyway. Okay, now let's retrieve a certain pet store by a certain pet store ID. So if we do one, we have the pet store ID and the pet store name and the fields. See the customers that we just added. One of the customers, all the customers, the employees. And let's do this one again. Okay, now here we have all the pet stores. Pet store ID 1, all the employees, customers. Pet store 3, employees, customers. We have 4, 5, 6. I didn't add any pet stores or customers to that. These ones have no customers and employees yet. But as you can see, we have the list of all of them. And that's it for my week 15 addition to pet store application. Thank you.